Tell me what it's like to live with superpowers.
I don't know, but I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I just know that I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I'ma get it.
Hey, planner people and my budget buddies. It's your girl Erica with Erica Makes Plans, and y'all, I'm coming to you today with a haul from Cloth and Paper, and I'm embarrassed about this, but I could not decide on a planner for 2026, so I have not been using one, and my life has been a mess as a result for the first couple of weeks. So I had to go ahead and hurry up and order this new planner from Cloth and Paper. So without further ado, let's see what we got. Packaged very nicely. So this must be the freebies that came with it. These are arrow stickers in Apollo. And then this is a card with the Forma planner on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. And it's the half letter, which ironically, what I have here is a half letter. Now, you guys know A5 is my jam, but it's so hard to find discount A5. The last couple of years I've been using an A5 plum paper, disc punched. So, and I had been getting really bored with it, with decorating it. So this year I'm going to try this. So this is the half letter dated monthly. This is the Sunday start because I do prefer a Sunday start on my monthly. Has the year at a glance. Oh, I should probably start from the beginning. Name page, notes over here, year at a glance. Another notes page, holidays and observances. Another notes page, and then you go to January. Oh, that's handy. You have goals, important dates, priorities, bills due, and a checklist. Huh. That's very interesting. I act like I didn't see this online. I'm sure I did, but okay. And so then you've got your calendar, which I love the minimalist feel to it. Am I a minimalist?
Absolutely.
I'm going to sticker the heck out of this, but I love that it's minimalist because I can decide what I want to do with it. I also like that it has 6 weeks in case they're needed. As you can see in January, that last week is not needed, so I can go ahead and just decorate that. But yeah, I'm gonna like that. It's just kind of weird because I feel like the page is so slim compared to an A5. The A5, I know a lot of people think an A5 and a half letter are interchangeable. They're not. An A5 is a little bit wider and a little bit shorter. So I'm accustomed to a wider page, and so I'm gonna have to get used to this. And then, yeah, so it goes through all 12 months. Yep. June, July, August, November, and December, which is interesting. Okay. So, yeah, 12 months. And then the star of the show and as soon as I finish recording this for y'all, I'm probably going to go back plan a few things because I need to play. So this is the half letter. It's the vertical weekly Monday start because I prefer my weeks to start on Monday. I know it makes no sense, but um, it makes sense in my head. So you get this again. So I've got two of these. Name page, year at a glance, just like the other ones. Holidays and observances. Oh,
Oh my God! What is that?
that's interesting. James Oppenheim, each of us bears the weight of the world in our own way, but it is in how we carry it that we find ourselves. That's nice. Huh. Oh, I didn't even realize there was a quote here. Look, each month shifts its weight differently, bringing its own rhythm and lessons. Some require discipline, others demand grace. Okay. So, anyway, all right. So, two notes pages. And then you get into the week. So, again, very minimalist. I like the very light lines. And the reason why I decided on the cloth and paper and not the A5 plum, because they have one with a similar layout. Plum paper goes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Which is fine if your brain works like that. Mine does not. So I needed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That makes sense in my head, right?
Please don't look at me like that.
So, okay. So, yeah, it's just like that for every month. And I don't think there's anything after it. No. So, yeah, so I'm going to have to go put these together and finally get my planner life together. So, if you have yet to get your planner life together,
You need to get it together.
um, you're not alone. You're not alone. But I am going to get it together, and I'm going to get it together in 2 minutes after I stop this video. I promise you I am. I have been keeping my journal up. Yeah. And I've done a little bit of work in my budget planner. But my everyday, day to day, get your life together planner, I didn't know what I was going to do. This is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to get my life together. I promise. Anyway, comment below and let me know all the ways you're trying to get your life together in this third week of January. Anyway, that's all I got for y'all. I'm out of here.